Hey everyone, it's Rob from Hypop and welcome back to another video. In this one, we're unboxing and taking a closer look at the brand new Godox V860III. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos just like this. Hit that notification bell to be updated of any new content we release. Leave a like in the video if it's helped you. Feel free to leave down in the comments section below your thoughts or if you have any questions about the Godox V860III. Follow us on social media at Hypop and visit our website, hypop.com.au. Let's get into it. So I've got with me the brand new V860III, which is the Sony version here with me today, and it's the brand new flash from Godox. This is their battery operated flash as part of their V series. So it's the V860 series here. There's other V series models in their lineup, which include the V350, which is the smaller flash, the V860II, which is the previous model, and also the V1, which is the round head flash. This one here is the V860III and sits in the middle, as you all know. And it's a popular model because it's battery operated, which means that it has its own lithium-ion battery, which allows the flash to have a faster recycle time and also rechargeable batteries, so you're not having to worry about AA batteries or running out of those batteries as you go. It's good to have some spares of these lithium-ion batteries. Now the main differences with this Mark III model are that it now has an LED modeling lamp, and that's a 2-watt LED modeling lamp. It also now supports the larger battery, which is the VB26 battery. That is the same battery that's used in the V1. So that's an upgraded battery. It has a 2600 milliamp capacity. It also allows for a 1.5 second recycle time and 450 full power shots at full charge. So it's a few great upgrades there. It's essentially a V1 featured flash without the round head. So let's take a closer look at what's included. Firstly, we have that battery, that VB26, and you can see this battery here is the VB26A. This is the newer battery, and it's also 3000 milliamp, so that's the one that's included. You have the AC charger here, and that's the USB charger for the charging plate. So this is for the battery. That's the VC26. It's a USB Type-C. So that's a USB Type A to Type C charging plate that supports this charger here. Now you also have the flash itself, and you can see it's got all the upgraded Godox accessories. This is the nice little Speedlite pouch that it comes with. It's got the nice orange felt lining there that protects your flash during transport and storage, as well as the little hot shoe plate that has the 1/4" thread adapter there. Now this is the Sony version, and the Sony version has Sony's multi-function interface hot shoe here, and you have a little protector for that hot shoe typically. Now that's only for the Sony. With the metal hot shoes from Canon and Nikon, there's no protection plate there. And on the back here you can see the upgraded locking design for the flash as well, which is better because it's the previous model had the twist to lock mechanism, which isn't as useful and as secure. So this is a welcome design change there. And you also have all of the documentation, including the manual, the warranty card, and the little pamphlet from Godox also. Now running through the features of the V860III, it's really similar to the V1. So you have a 76 watt-second output. You have a guide number of 60 at ISO 100. You have a flash duration of 1/300th of a second to 1/20,000th of a second. You also have high-speed sync up to 1/8000th of a second. You've obviously got that rechargeable battery. Even the menu design here at the back, as well as the scroll wheel here, is all similar to the V1. The only main difference really is the light head here. The flash head itself is the traditional square or rectangular design as opposed to the round head of the V1. And you also have that modeling lamp at the front too, which is a useful addition to the flash. Now in terms of all the compatibility, this is compatible with all of Godox's X trigger systems, that 2.4 GHz wireless system, which includes the X1, the X2 and the X Pro. If you're deciding on a trigger to suit you, feel free to click the link up above on our Godox X trigger comparison. Now, in terms of the light itself, it's really a great speed light, especially for event photography, or if you're shooting weddings or portrait photography. If recycle time and capturing that moment is important to you, having the lithium-ion battery with that fast 1.5 second recycle time at full output will really help out. Make sure that you're taking every single shot and you're not missing a single shot there on your photo shoot day. Now, in terms of the light itself, we'll take a closer look at the differences between the previous model as well as the V1. So I've got 3 of Godox's higher powered lithium-ion battery flashes with me here, the V860 Mark II, the brand new Mark III, which we're looking at, and also the V1. Now, in terms of physical features, between the Mark II and the Mark III, firstly, you'll notice the inclusion of that modeling lamp at the front there. The Mark II didn't have a modeling lamp, so that's a good feature to add, especially in low light situations, so you can help you get focus. And also you can see where the light drops off on the subject prior to taking the shot. It's just a handy little feature to have. It's obviously LED, so it's not taking too much battery capacity there to operate if you're using that feature. It's similar to V1's LED modeling lamp also. Now on the side here, you can see the battery port. The V860 Mark II houses the V8's, it's the VB18 battery, and that was only a 2000 milliamp battery. Now on Godox's box here, it says that the V860 Mark III's battery is 2600 milliamp, but in fact the brand new VB26A is 3000 milliamp, which is a higher capacity battery, so that means you're able to take a few more shots than the previous model here. Now on the back here, the menu system has changed completely also. You can see it does basically take from the V1's menu and button system there. It's completely changed from the previous model. So you have a lot of functions that are ready at your fingertips here, especially accessing that modeling lamp there, the zoom, the mode. The spin dial is a lot more useful as compared to the previous model here. Now, in terms of the locking mechanism at the bottom of the hot shoe there, you can see that that was the twist lock there, as opposed to the slide to lock, which is a lot easier there. So you can see it releases the plate a lot easier than the previous model. It's really good, especially if you're mounting between brackets and devices, or if you just need to take it off the camera. That's nice and easy. And on the front here, you can see it's almost identical in terms of the shape. The actual body itself is just slightly thicker to house that larger battery, but overall pretty much the same flash in terms of design and look. So if you're after a round head flash, the V1 is probably the one to look at, as this supports the AKR1 accessory kit. But if you wanted to mount the AKR1 accessory kit to a square headed flash or a rectangle head flash as the V860s are, all you'll need is the addition of the S-R1 adapter. So that essentially slides over the top here. It's like a universal adapter that slides over the top. It allows you to mount those round head lighting modifiers if that's important to you. Those lighting modifiers are great, especially if the diffuser dome. That's perfect to use just to diffuse the light, because obviously direct flash is a little bit too harsh. But all in all, they're great little flashes that I think would be a great addition, especially if it's going to be your first foray into a Speedlite. With Godox's lighting system, you're able to add on to that system because they all work through that X wireless system as well. So if you're wanting to add on an 8200 or a studio flash, they'll all be able to work together. So that was just a quick unboxing and look at the brand new Godox V860 Mark III. For more videos just like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, leave a like on the video if it's helped you. Feel free to leave down in the comments section below your thoughts, or if you have any questions about the V860 Mark III. Follow us on social media at Hypop and visit our website, hypop.com.au. Thanks for watching.